Hello, In2Cruisers. Let me show you another birthday celebration I had aboard the MSC World Europa. But this one was extra special. So we had made reservations to the specialty dining restaurant called La Pescaderia. Translated in English would be fish market. Very special venue, very unique style. You'll see. I was dressed for the occasion and I was also ready for my white party celebration after my dinner. So we headed over to La Pescaderia, which is located in the promenade. It was a little chilly and people were walking around and admiring the ship, but I was dying to see inside this place. I had seen a little bit outside, but I was certain that I was going to love the decor and I was going to love the place. I never saw a bunch of crowded people. I never saw a lot of groups. I never saw the restaurant super crowded. So I had my doubts about their service. But as soon as we got there, they greeted us with our names at the door. That was unique. And I also noticed that the restaurant was a different type of restaurant. So it was like kind of like a fish market type of restaurant. And all of a sudden, when you look to the left side, it was a very fancy place. Let me show you around.
¿Qué quieres ahí?
Los feta cheese. Es lo único que me gusta.
Sí.
Pero pídelo segundo.
One of the things that made this restaurant unique, and I have never seen this throughout the entire cruising industry, is that they bring you the menu live. They bring you samples of the menu already cooked so you could see what it looks like. That blew my mind. I have never seen anyone do this. They cook it, they show it to you, and then I guess they toss it away. I'm not sure what they do with this food, but it was so nice because they bring you like tasters of the appetizers so you can try it and so you can see if you like it to order it. That was amazing. Then they automatically take you to this fish market type of place where you can see all the fishes, the lobsters, the shrimps, all the seafood laid out for you, fresh, and with their prices. They give you an explanation of how it's done, how it's cooked, what type of fish do they have, what they recommend. It was such a presentation. I had never seen this anywhere, not even in my local restaurants in my city. They let you know that if you pick a fish, they'll weigh it for you, and that's how you'll know the price of the fish that you're eating because it's based on the weight. So we were looking at all the options, all the sizes. It depends on how hungry you are when you get to this place. They had a lot of variety, guys, and they had mostly everyone's favorite, which is the lobster. And he was explaining they had scallops, they had all kinds of fishes, and they had really nice fishes. I'm not a fish lover, so I was intrigued by a different couple of fishes.
You want a picture of it? And I mean, how much am I going to pay for just the picture? That's a lot of fish.
For the lobster lovers, here was a very cute lobster I took videos of. I don't eat lobster, but I love it. Looking at the presentation, and he shows the fish. We finally got fish, and we're waiting on our meal, just getting the best service possible we can get at a restaurant. That fish was to die for. The potatoes, everything, guys, everything in this dinner looked delicious. One thing that blew my mind was that the waiter comes and puts away like the bad part of the fishes. Like he like goes through the fish for you. You don't have to do that on your own. What type of service was this? I was just blown away by the service in this place. Of course, they sang me happy birthday. The entire crew of the restaurant came out, and it was like if I had the place to myself. They made this night super extra special. I don't have to tell you the story because you're seeing it. Really, really thank you, MSC. It was a really, really great birthday. Thank you for watching.